Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a MG ZS electric, diamond cut alloys, keyless entry, keyless starting. It's the exclusive model. Rear parking sensors, rear camera, opening panoramic roof in a metallic black colour. This is your lock and unlock. There, heated seats as well, side airbags, leather seats, leather heated seats, as you can see by the down there. There's two USBs and a power point there. Got a box here with your handbooks and that. This opens this roof, I will show you shortly. Isofix rear seats. This is your camera down here. Here's your camera here. Carpet in there. It's got to be put back in. This is your granny charger, so it plugs in your normal 3-pin plug. Inflation kit here. Rear shelf as well needs to go back in. That will be put back in. Electric adjustable driver's seat. 4 electric windows, lock, unlock. Yeah. Mirror adjustment here. This is your electric mirrors here. To start the vehicle, foot on the brake, push this button. Vehicle started. This is your gear lever, automatic, reverse, neutral drive. Handbrake, auto hold. Pocket here, nice pocket there. Drink storage as well. You have this pocket here as well, which is quite a handy storage area. I'll open this. That goes all the way back. You have this deflector here, stops the wind. And you can shut this. Shuts your blind. Well, obviously this will shut all the way if you wish. You can tell that where you wish. You can stop it where you like. Reversing camera. Sun's bleaching it out basically. Back into park. Heated seats. This is your heater. Comes with this menu here. Hot, cold. Temperature this side. Air conditioning. This button's all to heat up the screen. Heated rear window. This shows here your different modes. There, if I zoom that in, you can see the different modes for the driving. So it's saying in Sport 123, 130, 143. Different regenerating. So these is different regenerating of the 3 there, 3, 2, 1. Tells you 100, 143 miles to empty. Here you got this trip computer. You can change this button here changes this. Tells you what you're doing basically. Zoom that back out. Navigation, so it tell me not to use it, so, which is fine. Navigation, you have cruise control, speed limiter here, wipers this side, auto lights here, says you have to accept that you're not going to use it. Oh, I'm going to calculate a route. So that's your destination. You can navigate somewhere and just select your destination basically. This button here takes you back to the home menu. It's got Apple, CarPlay, Android Auto. Oh. DAB radio set up here. Different things you can have. Display. Lots of different options in this here. This is your home screen. Push this, takes you back to the home screen basically. Height adjustable driver's steering column. If you have any questions, obviously just give us a call and we will run through everything with you. This is how you turn the vehicle off. Any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you for watching.